Our shortest ever giveaway is now live.
And in just 72 hours, you could be driving away in this beautiful 1972 HQ Monaro or $70,000 tax-free money in your pocket.
Now, under the bonnet is a 350 small block Chev with a mild camshaft, a Moroso high volume oil pan, a Victor Junior manifold with a Holley vacuum secondary. The spark comes from an MSD Ignition, and that sweet rumble comes from 4-in-1 Pacemaker Extractors with twin 2.5 exhaust from front to back. Backing all that is a high stall speed converter with a turbo 400 transmission and a B&M Shifter. In the back is the famous old 9-inch diff. And last but not least, this car is rolling on Weld Magnum 17-inch fronts and 8-inch beadlock rears. I'm sure you'll agree this car will stand out in the crowd.
This beauty is worth $120,000 and you could be taking it home from just $24.95.
But guys, you do need to be urgent. This draw only runs for 72 hours. So get your entries in now and make sure you log on to our Facebook Live Friday at 7 p.m. and see if you're the winner.
Good luck.